Welcome back to also cybersecurity episodes with CyberQueen. In today's data-driven world, information flows from countless sources and in unmanageable volumes, making data governance more important than ever. For small and medium-sized businesses, effective data governance is not just about compliance. It's about ensuring data quality, protecting sensitive information, and using data as a strategic asset. Without proper data governance, SMBs can face significant challenges, including data breaches, regulatory fines, and inefficiencies that can hinder growth. Hi, I'm Venicia. I'm the founder of CyberQueen, a cloud security architect and a Microsoft MVP. Together with Also, we bring you cybersecurity insights packed with the latest news and diverse perspectives. Don't forget to check out the Also Cloud Marketplace for more awesome insights. Now, today we'll explore how Azure Purview can solve these challenges by providing a strong framework for data governance. Let's dive into how you can use Azure Purview to manage, govern, and secure your data efficiently. Now, first up, what is Azure Purview? Azure Purview is a unified data governance solution that's designed to help organizations manage and govern their on-premise, multi-cloud, and software as a service SaaS data. It provides a holistic, up-to-date map of your data landscape through automated data discovery, sensitive data classification, and end-to-end data lineage. By using Azure Purview, data consumers can access valuable, trustworthy data, making data governance more efficient and effective. Now, let's spend a few minutes to take a look at some of the key features of Azure Purview. First is the data map. Now, this is a foundational feature that enables you to automate and manage metadata from hybrid sources. It helps to classify data using built-in and custom classifiers and Microsoft Information Protection Sensitivity labels. The data map integrates seamlessly with other data catalogs and systems using Apache Atlas APIs, which then creates a unified view of your data assets and their relationships. Next is the data catalog. Now, Azure Purview Data Catalog makes data easily discoverable by using familiar business and technical search terms. It eliminates the need for manual Excel data dictionaries with an enterprise-grade business glossary. Interactive data lineage and visualization helps you to understand the origin of your data, which is super important for compliance and data management. Then, data estate insights. So you can gain comprehensive insights into your data management activities with Purview. Data estates insights can view and manage the key health metrics across hybrid data sources. So this can provide you with status updates, scan statuses, failures, and cancellations. These insights help you to maintain a healthy and compliant data environment. Now, Azure Purview also enables in-place data sharing within or between organizations without duplicating the data. This feature supports Azure Data Lake storage and blob storage, and it allows near real-time access to shared data and central management of your data sharing policies. Then we also have the data policy feature, which helps data engineers and owners to provision access to data assets through intuitive authoring experiences. It supports Azure Blob Storage, Azure Data Lake, Azure SQL DB, and SQL Server, ensuring the right users have access to the right data. Now, these features collectively enable you to establish good data governance practices, which ensures that your data is managed, it is secure, and it is easily accessible. Now, to effectively use Azure Purview for data governance, there are a few important steps that you should consider. So first is to set up a data map. You should start by creating a unified map of your data across your entire data estate. This helps to automate metadata management and classify your data consistently across various platforms. Then, using the data catalog can make sure that your data is easily discoverable. So you can implement an enterprise-grade business glossary to standardize data terms and improve data discovery across the business. You should also regularly use data estates insights to monitor your data management activities. You can keep an eye on key metrics and ensure that your data estate remains compliant and healthy. Then, when it comes to implementing data sharing practices, it allows for secure and in-place sharing of the data without duplication. So managing data sharing policies centrally can provide overall security as well as efficiency. Now, you should also use data policy features to control and provision access to your data assets. This ensures that only authorized users have access to sensitive data, which also enhances the security and compliance overall. By following these key steps, you can maximize the value of your data while ensuring compliance and regulatory requirements in turn. Now, Azure Purview is designed to be flexible and scalable, and it caters to the needs of businesses of all sizes, including SMBs. The cost of Azure Purview depends on several factors, like the volume of data scanned, the number of data sources connected, and the frequency of scans. When we look at the data map as an example, charges are based on the volume of metadata stored and the number of assets being scanned. The data catalog costs may vary depending on the number of data classifications and the complexity of your data landscape, while the data insights pricing may vary based on the frequency and depth of data insights and reports generated. Now, this can be complex, but Microsoft offers a detailed pricing calculator on their Azure Purview pricing page to help you estimate your costs based on your specific usage. And for those completely new to Azure Purview, Microsoft offers a free trial to help you explore the capabilities of Purview without any initial upfront investment. So you can start your trial by simply going to the Azure Purview product page and click on Try Azure for free to set up your trial account. From there, you can follow the setup instructions to begin exploring Azure Purview's features and to understand how they can bring benefit to your specific use case and your organization. By using the trial, you can actually assess how Azure Purview fits into your data governance strategy, and you can make informed decisions before committing to any of their paid plans. Now, Azure Purview does offer comprehensive tools that empower you to manage, govern, and secure your data effectively. From automated data discovery to sensitive data classification and end-to-end data lineage, Azure Purview helps you to maintain a compliant and well-governed data estate. And for SMBs, the ability to use such a good data governance platform is a game changer, ensuring data quality, regulatory compliance, and strategic use of data assets. With Purview, you can streamline your data governance processes, you can reduce risks, and you can unlock the full potential of your data. Now, next time, we will dive into another critical aspect of compliance, which is the NIS2 compliance together with Microsoft Security. We'll focus on achieving compliance with the Network and Information Systems Directive, NIS2, using Microsoft Security solutions. We'll also aim to provide you with the insights and the tools necessary to ensure that your organization is firstly aware of and can meet the stringent requirements of NIS2. As always, don't forget to check out the Also Cloud Marketplace for more information and additional resources. Until next time, stay vigilant and stay secure.